I love to barbecue in the summer, and this recipe was created quite by accident and is super delicious. I'm Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. I had a couple of other Thai recipes that I was experimenting with this month, and with all the extra ingredients, this delicious Thai barbecue red curry chicken came about. It's super easy to make. It's just a couple of ingredients. You marinate it, throw it on the grill, and it is delicious on its own or with a side salad. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get grilling. For convenience, I'm using canned red curry paste in this recipe. You can also use a homemade blend. I have a great recipe. I will leave that link at the end of this video as well as in the description. I'm going to use one whole can. This is 4 ounces or 114 grams. For salt and that umami flavor, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you can't use fish sauce, you can also use light soya sauce instead. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. I'm going to mix this well together, and then I'm going to tip in 2 pounds of boneless chicken thigh. You can use breast or even drumsticks if you like. If I'm not doing this at the last minute, I like to marinate this overnight, but you do need a minimum of 1 hour to get that flavor right into the chicken. Once marinated, I'm going to get this onto my hot grill and I'm going to cook it on both sides for about 6 to 10 minutes per side. Instead of oil, I'm going to baste this chicken with coconut milk. Once done, off the hot grill it comes. You can serve it just like this, but I like to go fancy. Slice it so it's easy to serve, and I like to garnish it with some fresh mint and basil, lime wedges, fresh red chilies, and shallot rings. I'm also going to finish this off with a few drops of coconut milk. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this super simple recipe for Thai barbecue red curry chicken. This recipe is absolutely delicious. Do make sure you subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your family and friends. Also, ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.